Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? How is everybody doing? The markets are very aggressive, right? What do you guys think? Gold, 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 gold. Did you find anything to trade so far, guys? Or nothing yet? Gold actually hit this resistance right up there. That might gonna be a good place to keep an eye on. Ruben, how are you doing? 4 hour. NQ short this morning already on the 4 hour. I see this low here, which is important. Yeah. So if we break below this low, we have all the room to test this part. Do you think the price will drop or? What do you think here? We are on the 30-minute time frame. So literally, if we're gonna break and close below there, and we can get some retest, yeah, that will be ideal. But this place here, it's a key support, key level of support. We have actually a lot of confluences there. Actually, 3 confluences, if I'm correct. I'll check again. Yes, 3 confluences. So first confluence here. First thing is the FIB 50%. Can I duplicate this one? That's okay. So we have first the 50%. Second is the 50 EMA bounce. This is a dynamic support. And the third is this low volume note. Low volume note comes from the bullish Marubozu candle. So if we stay above this, then there is a high probability to see a bullish move. It will be a sign that the retracement came to an end, actually. Aiva, good morning. Can you take a look at DAX? Of course, DAX, it's in an uptrend. There is very... I was watching that since the London Open. It was in an obvious uptrend, this move here, despite we got this part at that point. But now DAX, it's in a strong uptrend. I'm waiting for, let me check the levels here. Oh, we reached this resistance and then we have another resistance. Oh, that's good. What's the overall structure? Messy. So we have one resistance, and after 50 pips there is another resistance, but that's on the 4 hour. Okay, so I know many people are very anxious here. They anticipate to sell DAX because DAX hits resistance, but ladies and gentlemen, be careful. So let's wait and see if the price, how this price action actually will end. If we're gonna get a break above or a rejection. We want the 5-minute candlestick to show us some confirmation here. What do you guys think it's going to happen here on the DAX? For the London session, it's a very it's a great asset to trade. For me, if we're going to break above, I'm going to just get my prop account ready here. If we break above, I'm going to buy. What do you guys think here on the DAX? Is it a buy or sell? I think more like a buy here on the DAX, because the price had the opportunity to sell off after these rejections with these candlesticks, shooting stars. It didn't. We closed bullish above. 2 candles needed to confirm the breakout, but the market is... Oh, I choose the wrong asset. Come on. I bought gold instead of DAX, guys. How did I do that? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. And I opened 5 lots on gold. Am I crazy or what? I have to close the trade. You see, these are the trading errors you have to admit as soon as possible and just scratch the trades and move to the next one. So I placed a trade on gold instead of DAX, and my risk was 5 lots on gold. It's insane. So on every pip, it's like on every pip against me, it's like I'm losing a lot. So, but I don't have any other choice. See here? Which camera shows? See here? So now I have to close the trade. I will scratch it with the loss, whatever it is. Because these trading errors, yeah, they cost us money. So this is for gold trading. For gold trading now, I want to see some change of market structure here, even on the minute chart. Better on the minute chart. Tareen, how are you doing? Ruben said done that before. Yes, yes, guys, yes. Okay. I know that DAX is not something that beginner traders know, maybe that it exists, but guys, really during London session, if you are looking to trade something that has a lot of volatility, that's DAX. It moves fast, it moves aggressive, and it's yeah, it's good. I love trading DAX there. Chris, how are you doing, mate? Let's go back to gold, gold, gold. Ah, by the way, guys, I've sent early this morning, but okay, I will just tell you later now. Let's just focus on gold. What's going to happen here? It's important to remain above the support. If we close above the support, we're going to have the confirmation turning point here, the swing low, and this can give us some confidence to buy. So for this one here, I'm gonna go in one. I'm gonna go in with this one here. By I hope the platform will not shut down. Boom! It did. It did. But that's okay. Maybe I need to check for some updates or something. So I'll put there. I'm gonna hide my stop loss. I'm gonna hide my stop loss below the swing low. Stop loss will go, I think it's about 500. Yep. So here is my stop loss on this trade. Low risk, but high potential reward. Let's see how this will go. DAX, okay, it pulled back down to the 20 period moving average. It's coming down again. I think we are in a bullish market here. So let's see. Aiva, did you sell DAX from this one here? I know that you are doing stuff like this. Did you sell that pin bar? See how the market reverses over two candlesticks. This is a classic continuation pattern. How much time left? 4 seconds. So No, for a change, I was long. Okay, good. I'm also long on that one. So let's check the news for today. What is going on? Bank of Japan is said open to raising rates faster than every 6 months. Guys, this is huge. Bank of Japan usually keeps rates around 0%. Now their rates, if I'm correct, it's about 1% or close to that. It's somewhere here. So what does it mean about the economy? It simply means that the global economy sucks, as we all know, and everyone is unhappy that we are paying high prices on everything. It's so crazy, so crazy. In the UK, the CPI reported 2.6%, lower than the forecast. Not good for sterling, I guess. Just looking to find the rates. Maybe we're gonna find them on FX Street. Is the world running out of aluminium? Return charts, economic calendar. Where are the rates? Anyway. Trade like a champion. So this can have this will have a lot of impact in the in the overall markets, and especially the US dollar, Japanese yen is the one will be affected the most. What is my trade right now? I'm holding a position, is running about $113 on profit on what do you say, on the DAX here, but it's on the prop firm account. This one is my broker account, and I'm long on gold here. Look, based on this chart pattern, I do expect the breakout here. It's a high probability ascending triangle that came after a retracement, and okay, it has bullish implications. I like this bullish engulfing here. Ooh. Let's see how it goes. Who else is on this live today, guys? Who is here with us? Breakout. Let's go for the breakout. Did anyone got into this trade? Damian, the champion of gold. How are you doing, bro? Nice to see you around. Let's go. Let's go for the breakout. Let's go for the breakout. Oh, my DAX trading is flying too. Yes, DAX. So what I want to see here, honestly, it's a nice push to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is, at least I'm making some good profits on the prop account, because you know, on the prop account the risk is much lower than what I risk on this account. You see the balance, it's completely different. Also, I don't have rules here, strict rules like on prop firms. We do have rules, but of course I didn't need to deposit 100k on the account. By the way, this account is live on FX Book, and you can go and watch everything, and also the history is here, guys. Yeah, so you can go on my FX Book and watch and see the trading history of this account. But yeah, as you know, on prop firms we pay a couple of hundreds to buy an account of 100k. So we have more strict rules, of course, because we have access to bigger capital to trade, but we need to risk less. Long on DAX 2, I went in the retracement. Good. So now we expect the price to continue above this resistance. Above this resistance here, we need to see the break of that resistance. Guys, for those who are in the Telegram channel, did you like what I sent you earlier this morning here? It's something that I'm working to improve this. So every single day I will be sending out to our members only. Today's focus. So I said that today's chain goes like this. It's Iran, then it's oil, inflation, interest rates, and then it's every other market. Okay, understand that, and session makes sense. And WTI, despite we didn't get the chance to trade it because of the attention is on the gold, the WTI, it's going to report the crude inventories at 2 GMT, and after that we will better get involved because of this chain here. It's a bit risk off now on this trade. Risk on this trade. Anyhow, this is how we're going to approach it. Now we are expecting a decent retracement on gold before we continue going up. Hopefully we're going to go up. For me, it's worth moving my stop loss underneath this low, so I'm not going to even risk $100 on this trade compared to this account. So this one here, going back to why I sent it this one, because I didn't make the market scan in the morning just to tell you what's gonna move, but also where not to pay attention to. We don't go with S&P 500 today. We don't go with Bitcoin. We don't look at the Euro US dollar because of the low quality trades we can get. So keep the attention here. Gold, Nasdaq, WTI. Yeah. There is also more detail on that one. I also include levels. I include some stuff on everything. But at this stage, I'm just going to send this as a short message here. And then whoever is going to subscribe on the newsletter, again, completely for free, will receive the newsletter too. So it's like I will create a daily hub for you, the trader. So you go on your platform and you just watch You just see what's on the scope today, what's the highest probability to get good moves today on which asset. This one, okay, let's figure out how to trade that one. But I'm going to give you the levels and I'm going to give you the market, the overall market analysis. That's not the problem. Yes, thinking about the prop account right now, and I'm using my own capital. What do you recommend, guys? 100% I recommend you to check PropXP accounts. Um, I know so many people, they are using them. I use them myself. Their spreads are super competitive, and for me, the green light is that I know personally the people are behind the customer support, behind the CEO positions, the owner. The people are working hard in their office every single day just to make that prop firm stand out. So I definitely recommend that. Plus, you can use my code and get 50% off instead of paying, let's say, for a, how much it cost? I think it's about 500 prop. Let's just go to check here. I think it's about 500. You scroll down. Scroll down. There is one-step challenge, instant funded, two-step challenge. Before I used to do only 2 steps, but now if I'm gonna do steps, I do only one. Or I like to go on instant funding. You can start with as low as $75, but for me the accounts matter the most. It's, let's say, 100K. It's 569, and you use my code, and you get half of it waived out. So it's good. If you go 200K, again 50% out. You just go with 500, and you have access to capital of 200K when you pass. Instant funding, they go up to 100K. If you want instant funded, guys, I mean, just go for it. You're gonna, if you use the code, my code at the checkout, you're gonna get 50% off. So it's just $250. You can buy as many as you want with the code. Just in case you need the link and you don't have it, I will share the link with you right now on spot. So this link, I think, takes you directly to the 50%. It applies the 50% coupon. If not, for 50% discount, you just apply this at the checkout and you're gonna get it. Simple, guys, simple. So let's go back. Gold created that swing low right there. After this swing low, I'm moving my stop loss at break even. I don't want to get caught into the last impulsive move that happened. If we get a bearish engulfing from this point, or if we don't push to the upside quite nicely, there is a high chance that the market will come all the way down. So depending on how we're going to close here, I might going to scratch that trade and just get my profits out. Anyhow, I got into that that was on the prop firm, on the proper account, that by mistake I opened the gold instead of the DAX. I get upset when I make these trading errors, you know. So far so good here. DAX, you too, mate. Come on. Shine up, DAX. Let's go. Yes, we are breaking above, guys. We are breaking above this high on DAX. I'm gonna just get my 0.5%. So on this 100K account, I'm about 570 something. So 0.5%. I'm gonna just close my position. Oh, we're gonna go for one tick more. Okay, 7, 8, 8. Come on, 8, 8, 8. Come on, 8. Come on, 800. Come on, mate. Push. Okay, 8, 8. Come on, push a little bit. Push a little bit to make 1%. Come on, man. Let's make 1%. Oh shit, it drops. Come on, maybe we're gonna make 1%. Okay. I'll just close the positions. Yeah. Close. Press it. Close. Okay. Okay. Up. Close all positions here. Okay. So really good on the prop account so far. At least I recover well the I can't believe it, man. Today I lost 645 only by that mistake on gold. Okay, at least I recover them now. So that's that was okay. Okay. Then, Ruben, can you talk a bit about the rules on prop? Yeah, sure. I'm sure. I believe that many people are interested into props. So, hold on. Gold trading. The position here. Okay, I'm out now from gold trading. So we hit the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart, the 20 on the 15-minute. These are dynamic support and resistance. In this case, it's a dynamic resistance. So about the rules on Prop XP. Yeah, guys, it's simple. The best part here is that they include their rules and you can just see them there. The only, in a nutshell, actually, not the only, just in a nutshell. For example, when you get the step 1 or 2 step challenges, okay, for example, 1-step challenge, you need to pass one phase. So at first stage, you need to make a 10% profit to show that you can make a 10% profit, despite how you want to make it with 2, 3, 5 trades, doesn't matter. Daily drawdown on this account is 3%, $3,000. That means if you lose more than $3,000 in a single day from either one or multiple transactions, then you breach the rules and it means your discipline sucks. So you are not qualified to trade for a profit split. So essentially you burn the account. Maximum drawdown, it's 6%. So you will lose the account if during the time you're trading you lose 6%. And this will test your discipline. Consistency rule, 40%. People understand the consistency rule in a with different explanations. So I will recommend to anyone to scroll down and read this part here and make sure you understand it the way it clicks for you. If you need to make sure you didn't miss anything, you just go to FAQ and click consistency rules to read that. So once you pass your phase, you will receive a new account with new credentials. You are in the funding stage now. Now you have access to 100K capital to trade. So you have unlimited profit target, okay? But your daily drawdown and max drawdown remains the same. You cannot lose more on a single day or overall of that amount. Your profit share is 80%, and you can do some add-ons here. You see the price is going a little bit higher, depends on the add-ons you're gonna do. But if it's your first time using prop accounts, I will just say you don't need to add any add-ons here. Just take your account, start trading, prove yourself that you are disciplined. You can keep your daily drawdown up to 3%. You can you don't breach more than 6%. So this will depend also on your trading style. If you like to trade for now, for example, on my account here, this one, because I trade with a broker's account, I can risk 1, 2, 3% of my capital if that's my appetite. Not a problem, totally fine. But if I risk here on my prop account, I have a 200K prop account here. If I risk 1% and I get 3 trades and 3 losing trades in a row, it means I reach the daily drawdown and I breach the rules. So the account is gone. I need to buy a new account. But if I don't do that and I understand to risk, let's say 0.5%, 0.3%, it depends. Also, before I used to follow another strategy that worked really well for me. So I invested about, I think it was 7K or 8K on the props, and I was buying accounts of 100K, not 200K. So I bought about 10 accounts. It was with a that was 10 accounts, but I had 30% discount. I didn't have 50% discount back then, so it cost me a little bit more. And I made my strategy that, okay, you know what, if I just go for high risk, I'm gonna burn more accounts along the way, but I'm gonna go to the funded stage faster. So that was one of my strategies, and it worked really well for me. I'm not that aggressive now on my risk on the prop because I also have a lot inside the broker's account. So if I want to increase risk, I just go here. But with the props, I'm a little bit careful on the risk. I don't overdo it anymore. So that's pretty much. Just made my weekly profit with DAX today. I will demo this afternoon to practice. Yeah. Gold strong again. Waiting for a 5-minute pullback. Ahmed, good day. How are you doing? K, DAX holding better than European tech today. Oil volatility crazy, scalping this tide risk. Yep, that's for sure. Hi guys, hello, welcome. Tharun, hey Theo, what's up? Tharun, how are you doing? What is going on? Ahmed said is good. Good, good, good. You see, guys, the price stopped at the 50 period. Dynamic resistance, obviously, dynamic, very dynamic resistance. Nice. We got out on DAX. Maybe now we're gonna hit lower. Guys, by the way, if you haven't subscribed on the YouTube channel, please go and hit that subscriber button. And also like the video if you have a, I don't know, maybe you are a trading community or whatever there, you can share it with some other people, or you can share it on your social media. So other people that interested in trading from a guy that really know what he's talking about, just invite him to come. Oil almost around this level, moves fast. One bad entry and you're cooked. Yeah. Bro, with gold already pushing, would you wait retest or look for quick scalp? With gold now I'm doing nothing because it reached a critical level here. Only if it breaks above. Now it put down this short-term downtrend. There is a short-term downtrend on gold with these lower lows and lower highs. Bearish engulfing here. Price didn't manage to break the bearish engulfing's high. So what I will do is, if the price breaks above here, then I'll be looking to go higher. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. You see gold is coming down already. You asked me about prop firms, and you didn't ask me about broker, because from broker actually you can get also a great discount, guys, but not in terms of deposit discount. When you trade, you get 25% back on every single trade you open as cashback from your spreads. So today we have to watch carefully what's going to happen with the inventories report. That's the best question. No, it's not a broker. No, that's why I'm working with these guys, and I have my affiliation link only with these guys from prop firms because it's not a broker. Prop firm, it's a separate entity that gives you access to simulated accounts, simulated trading capital. It's not a broker as all brokers. Like YWO is a broker, but prop firm is not a broker. For example, FTMO is FTMO bought Oanda broker or is bought by Oanda. I don't know what's the, I don't recall exactly, but I would never, unless it's very solid, to go down that path. So I want to promote a broker. I want to talk about, I want to promote a prop firm. I want to talk about the prop firm only if it's a solid 100% prop firm. That's why I like on the other side YWO, because it's a solid broker. So prop firm is a prop firm, broker is a broker. There are so many nowadays they mixed up just because they trying to get more business. But for me, the trader, I'm interested making money from my trading activity. So I want the prop firm to be a prop firm. I want the broker to be a broker. And I did my research, my scan, and I'm showing you the shortcut to, you don't need to look left and right. These two separate entities are solid. So okay, so with the live account broker, they are using liquidity providers. How is DAX going? See how smooth that trend, that uptrend was on DAX? I think that session was really cool, guys, huh? Today, we got a trade on DAX, we got a trade on gold. What else? Hopefully tomorrow when we will be live, we're gonna have opportunity again to spot some good so this one here, also is the link to join the Telegram channel. You can see all the links there about the prop firm, brokers, everything. You're gonna find them there. So it's easy for you to have everything in one place. Plus, every single day, it's under testing mode, but so far, I'm gonna be pushing out that that thing I showed you guys, this one here. So you have better informed decisions and understand what's going on. At some point, I'm going to send you a nice newsletter that it's going to take you about, for me, it's all about timing. I need to send something out that in less than 2 minutes, you know what's going to happen today, what to trade, and how to trade it. That's all. See here at the top, pin message is the registration page code to get your 50% off. Alrighty, guys, I think I will end the live stream. I will leave it up to here. I don't see anything else moving right now, to be honest. So if you want anything, just come on the Telegram channel, leave your comments below, and I will reply as soon as I will see your messages. I wish you best luck with your trading for the rest of the day. Trade smart and keep risk manageable. So it was nice talking to everybody here. Thanks for tuning in. Happy trading, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow, same time, 9 a.m. UK time, London time. We're going to be live on this channel. Take care and bye to everyone.